We haven't talked about how to wire the 4-wire fan yet. Let's find technology to show us how to wire it. Do you got a second? Engineer Lee, please help me connect this 4th-line fan today.
Okay, this is a 4-wire DC fan. The red wire of this fan is the positive pole, connected to the positive pole. The blue wire is the negative pole, connected to the negative pole. The purple line is the PWM control line, connect to the PWM control line. The white color is the speed feedback line, connect to the feedback line. Power on. Now the fan duty cycle is 30%. Manually adjust to 40% now. After adjustment, the fan speed increases, and PWM controls the fan speed.
Have you got it? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.